Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is a step towards enlightenment. So, are you ready to embark on a journey filled with knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment? Then look no further, you are at the right place. I welcome you today. If you're a returning viewer or a new viewer, make sure to stick around to the end because we are diving into super important career options when it comes to mechanical engineering vocational training in Germany. That is Ausbildung in Germany. By watching this video, you are not just benefiting yourself, you are also becoming a platform of information for your family, friends, and community. So how do we reach more amazing people like you? By sharing our videos, you help spread the wealth of information to those around you. Together, we create a network of informed and inspired individuals. So I encourage you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so you stay updated on all our videos. Your journey into integrating into vocational training in Germany must definitely be a success. So why Germany? Why choose Germany? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system, offering unique hands-on experience and academic learning. It's a perfect place to develop your skills in the practical settings, and this can open multitude doors to career opportunities, multitude doors to career opportunities. Also, the vocational training system in Germany allows you to earn as you learn, so it is robust in its sense. This video is a continuation video and it's about Berufe in Metallbau, that is professions in metal construction. You can find this video in the playlist Mechanical Engineering Ausbildung in Germany. It is all about metal. If you're interested in metal, you love working with metals, then I'll encourage you to watch this video to the end. I've already discussed career option 1 to 3 when it comes to this area of specialization. So today I'll be discussing 3 more career options when it comes to this area of specialization. So this is the 4th career option, but it has 3 areas of specialization. That is Fachkraft für Metalltechnik, that is metal technology specialist. If you want to become a metal technology specialist, this is a video I will encourage you to watch to the end. You have 3 areas of specialization. That means you can go into different areas of specialization when it comes to these career options, and these 3 I'll be discussing in this video. So, as the picture beside me is showing, the first is a Fachkraft für Metalltechnik Fachrichtung Konstruktionstechnik, Industry und Handwerk. That is, you are a metal technology specialist and you are specializing in construction technology, both for the industry and when it comes to trade. The duration is 2 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Apart from your German language, which I'll always say you need your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss or Realschulabschluss, that is your university qualification certificate, your secondary school leaving certificate, your high school leaving certificate, and your German language, of course. If you have not started, what are you waiting for? And if you have, give yourself a big thumbs up and a big pat at the back. Now, coming to the description, if you are a metal technologist and you're specializing in construction technology, what do? You process and fabricate sheet metals, pipes, you create all kinds of custom designs with metals. Cutting, you bend sheet metals to size, you drill holes, you produce, you assemble the design together. Each individual work step, you document it. You prepare work pieces and process them, for example, by forming and cutting metal, and you plan and assemble these metal structures. You transport them, you assemble them on site using plan, guidelines, and testing specifications. You also use thermal and mechanical processes when it comes to arranging the components together. You join metals together using specific methods, and finally you check the work results. such as the professional execution of welded and soldered joints. So where do you find employment? If you are in this area of specialty, you find employment in mechanical engineering or vehicle manufacturing companies, or in the construction companies, because you are joining metals together. Vehicle manufacturing companies, construction companies, that is where you find employment. So we have come to the end of the first career. That's the first career option. When it comes to this career option, the two other area of specialization you can go into is still in this video, so I encourage you to watch the video to the end. So I'll see you in the next part of the video. So welcome back. So the second career option is Fachkraft für Metalltechnik, Fachrichtung Montage, Technik Industry. That is metal technology specialist. You are in the specialization of assembly technology, and you're specializing in industry. No more industry and handwerk, just industry. The duration is 2 years, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. You need your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, Realschulabschluss. That is your secondary school leaving certificate, your high school leaving certificate, your university qualification certificate to get into this, and your German language as well certificate. The description: what do you do? If you're a metal technologist and you're specializing in assembly technology, you use this by joining techniques to manufacture component assemblies and machines for individual parts. You familiarize yourself with the production and assembly order and associated documents such as assembly plans and guidelines to plan the work step. You manufacture components manually or mechanically, for example, by processing sheet metals using various methods. You also assemble these components together. You assemble cables and electrical or electronic components together. You observe circuits and functional diagrams. You assemble devices, machines, or machine parts from components and assemblies. You align, you fasten, secure the part that is being assembled together, and finally you adjust the functions and check that the products function as intended, as it's supposed to. So if you are in the assembly technology as a metal technology specialist, where do you find employment? You find employment in metal or electrical industries, or in mechanical and plant engineering or vehicle construction industries. Also, you find employment in the household appliance industry. So industries that are into household appliance production, you find employment there. Vehicle construction companies, you find employment there. Plant engineering companies, you find employment there. Mechanical engineering companies, electrical industries, you find employment there as well. So this is the end of the second career option. And the third career option I'll still be discussing in this video, so I encourage you to watch the next part of the video. That is the third career option when it comes to this career option, the third area of specialization. So I'll see you there. So I welcome you to the third part of this video, and we are still on the Fachkraft für Metalltechnik. And the third career option, as the pictures beside me showing, is in the Fachrichtung und Drahttechnik industry. That is metal technology specialist specializing in forming and wire technology, and you are in the industrial section. The duration is 2 years. The duration for this vocational training is 2 years, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is recognized training. You need your German certificates, and also if you have your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, Realschulabschluss, that is your secondary school leaving certificate, your high school leaving certificate, and your university qualification certificates. With any of the certificates, you are accepted into this vocational training. So what do? If you're a metal technologist specializing in forming and wire technology, you produce wires, as the picture beside is showing. You form cut metal products. You plan the work steps, you determine the speed and deformations, and you set up wire drawings, cutting or forming machines, and you install the necessary forming tools. Then you feed the machines with the raw materials, e.g. metal rods or wire for wire production, and monitor the manufacturing process. You initiate corrective measures in the event of errors or deviations in the production, and you make sure that you rework or you rejoin screw connections, you treat surfaces, you check the quality of finished products, you prepare them for packaging, and you also perform care and maintenance work on the production equipment. So, as a metal technologist specializing in the wire technology, forming technology, forming and wire technology, as picture is showing, you find employment in metal forming companies and wire manufacturing companies. Manufacturing companies that are into wiring, that's that manufacture wires, metal wires, you find employment there. And also metal forming companies, you find employment there as well. So we've discussed three area of specialization when it comes to this career. As a metal technologist, if you want to become a metal technologist, you have three areas of specialization. I've discussed the first, the second, and this is the third. So I encourage you to watch our upcoming videos because more career options is still coming. We have come to the end of the video. If my video has helped you, kindly share with families and friends, like, and finally, if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that when I drop next career options that are coming when it comes to this area of specialization or any other career option in different areas or different career options, you are the first to know. We have so much more coming your way. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers because only you can stop you. I'll see you in my next video.